Hello student, I am Borko sir. Now today in this video we see class 6 maths. In this class we study about chapter 1, that name is knowing our numbers. Today's point is extension to large numbers. In this point we see introducing 6 digit, 7 digit and 8 digit number. Now student, we start 6 digit numbers. See the picture. We know that the greatest 5 digit number, that means 99,999, and smallest 5 digit number, that means 10,000. When we add 1 with greatest 5 digit number, that means 99,999 plus 1 equals to 1 lakh, that means smallest 6 digit number. Okay, after that we see examples. In above picture there is place value chart. In that place value chart there is periods and places. The periods are ones, thousands, lakh, and places are 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Firstly, we put the examples from right to left. In one place we put 4, in 10 place we put 9, in 100 place we put 7, in 1000 place we put 3, in 10,000 place we put 5, and we put 2 in lakh place. Okay, then we read the numbers, that means 2,53,794. ओके स्टूडेंट, इस तरह से आपको नंबर्स राइट करना है प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में और रीड करना है. देन वी सी 7 digits number. When we add 1 with greatest 6 digit number to get smallest 7 digit numbers, that means 9,99,999 plus 1 equals to 10 lakh. 10 lakh is a smallest 7 digit number. We take one examples. Firstly, we draw place value chart. In that chart, we see periods and places. Then put the given number in that place value chart. Put 3 in 1 place, 5 in 10 place, 8 in 100 place, 4 in 1000 place, 6 in 10,000 place, 9 in lakh place, and last 2 is 10 lakh place. Then we read the number 29 lakh 64,853. Now after that we see 8 digit numbers. Student, we know that greatest 7 digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. When we add it to greatest 7 digit number, we get smallest 8 digit number. That means 99 lakh 99,999 plus 1, we get 1 crore. 1 crore is a smallest 8 digit number. After that we see the examples. Firstly we draw place value chart, then put a numbers. Put 7 in one place, 8 in 10 place, 2 in 100 place, 5 in 1000 place, 3 in 10,000 place, 9 in lakh place, 6 in 10 lakh place, and last 4 is crore place. Then we read that number: 4 crore 69 lakhs 35,287. हम प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट के हिसाब से ही नंबर को रीड करेंगे. ओके, देन वी सी इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट. A number is divided into periods when we write or read numbers easily. That means crore, lakh, thousand and ones. It is helpful for reading. Now we start a reading. Crore. In crore, one place means 4 crore. lakh place periods में है 69. That means 69 lakh. And 1000 periods में है 35,000. That means 35,000. That means we read 4 crore 69 lakhs 35,289. After that we see self practice. First G.
Now student, today we see self practice. First G. We read questions 1. Write the numbers represented by the following numerals by separating periods and write them in word form. Read aloud. Now questions A, B and C and D are given. Okay. Now we see the solution of the questions 1. Firstly, we draw the place value chart. Here we draw place value chart and write firstly period and then places. The periods are crore, lakh, thousands and 1. Below that we write places. In crore period 10 crore and crore. In lakh period 10 lakh and lakh. In thousand period 10,000 and 1,000. And in ones period 100, 10 and 1 are the places. Okay, then we put the given numbers in this place value chart. When we starting putting a number in place value chart, we start the given number from right to left. Firstly, we put first number, that is 5, 3, 6, 2, 1, 8. We starting from right to left. That means in one place we put 8, in 10 place we put 1, in 100 place we put 2, in 1000 place we put 6, in 10,000 place, we put 3 and last digit put in lakh place. In same way, we put down the all numbers in place value chart. Okay. After that, we read the number. Numbers in word form. We see first A. We put commas after perioding, means 1000 पीरियड एंड lakh पीरियड के बाद में कामा दिया गया है. नाउ वी रीड द नंबर्स. 5,36,218. Second B. 2,90,314. In this way, we write the spelling of each number. Now, we see questions 2. Questions 2 is write the numerals for the following numbers in standard form. Firstly, we read A. 4,75,215. To write a standard form, we make a place value chart. Here we draw a place value chart. For writing standard form, we write given numbers in periods. Now, 4,75,215. 4 lakh, we put 4 in lakh periods, in lakh places. Then 75,000, we put 75 in 1000 periods, that means 7 in 10,000 place and 5 in 1000 place. Then we put 200, means 2 in 100 place and 15 in 10 place and 1 place. Okay, means 10 place 1 and 1 place में 5. Okay, same way we see next examples B. Questions B. 7,02,100. Firstly, we draw a place value chart. Okay, then we put the numbers. 7 lakh means put 7 in lakh places, in lakh periods. Then 2,000, put 2 in 1000 place, in thousands periods. Then 100, put 1 in 100 place and 1's period. But in 10,000 place, 10 place and 1 place, there are no indication, so we put 0 in that place. In that way, we solve the questions B. Same way, you solve all the questions of self practice first G. Okay, thank you.